Welcome back, fellow coding enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the fundamental building blocks of web development, HTML document structure. Understanding this structure is crucial, and that is what we are going to discuss about today. To begin, let's talk about the foundation of every HTML file, doc type declaration. This simple line of code tells the browser what version of HTML we are working with, ensuring our website is rendered correctly across different platforms. Next, we have the HTML element. This element wraps around our whole web page and acts as the main container for the page. Within this HTML element, we divide our content into two primary sections, the head and the body. The head sections contains information such as title, which appears on the browser's tab. Meanwhile, the body section is where we add visible elements that makes up our website, such as headings, paragraphs, images, and so much more. Now get ready for an exciting part of HTML document structure, nested elements. We can put elements inside other elements. This makes a system that adds structure and meaning to our content. Imagine a heading nested within a div, nested within a section. This allows us to organize and style our content as we desire, giving our web pages a professional and polished appearance. With a solid understanding of HTML document structure, you possess the power to create visually stunning and functional websites. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different elements and nested structures. If you enjoyed this video or find it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Until next time, happy coding.